Now today, let's start with chapter number first, the Northern Mountains. In this chapter, we will study about some northern mountains that lies in the north of Himalayan region, and the most striking physical feature of the country is Great Mountain Wall of the North, and it separates Indian subcontinent from the rest of Asia. So the Great Mountain Wall of the North is formed by the mighty Himalayas at its joining Karakoram range. In the east, Himalayas extended in various hills such as Naga, Garo, Khasi, a daub of snow and Mount Everest. So Himalaya means a daub of snow, and most of the high peak of Himalayas are also covered with snow. And the highest peak of the Himalayas is Mount Everest, which is in Nepal, and it is world highest peak, and it was climbed for the first time by Sherpa Tenzing Norgay in India and Edmund Hillary of New Zealand. Then we have Mount Godwin Austen and Kanchenjunga. The second highest mountain peak in the world is K2, that is Mount Godwin Austen, located in Karakoram region. And the third highest peak of the world and the highest Himalayan peak in India is Kanchenjunga in Sikkim. Then Himalaya extended for about 2500 km from west to east, and the average width of Himalaya is about 250 km. It is wider in the west and narrower in the east. Himalaya can be divided into three parallel ranges: Himadri range, Great Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and Shivalik, that is your outer Himalaya. Then first is Himalaya. This is your Himalayan region, and we have Great Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and Lesser Himalaya. First is Himadri, Greater Himalaya. The northernmost range of Himalaya is called Greater or Upper Himalaya. It is the highest range of Himalaya, and all the highest peak of the Himalaya are found in this region. Due to extreme cold condition, there is hardly any vegetation. Then it is snow-covered peak, give birth to glacier. Some of these glaciers are the source of big river. As the ice melts in the lower ranges, it changed into fast-flowing river. Then we have Himachal, that is Lesser or Middle Himalaya. It is the middle range of Himalaya. There are several beautiful hill stations, like we have Mussoorie, Simla, Darjeeling, Nainital, Srinagar, Dalhousie, and Mora. The weather in this hill station is very pleasant during summer. Many people from the plain come here to escape from heat of the plains during summer. And these ranges are covered with tall trees. And which type of trees are found over here? Like pine, cheer, deodar. There are some beautiful valleys in this region, like Kullu, Manali, that lies in Himachal Pradesh. They are the famous tourist center. Then we have Shivalik, that is outer Himalaya. This is the lowest range of the Himalaya. This region gets more rain and weather is comparatively warm. Soil slopes are covered with thick forest, and they are home of very wide islets. And Shivalik ranges of the Himalaya is an earthquake-prone zone. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा earthquake आते हैं. Then to the south of Shivalik lies Terai region. Most part of this lies in Uttarakhand. Earlier it was a marshy land with unhealthy climate. It was completely covered with forest, but now the forests have been cleared and many people have settled here. There are many people who have settled. They grow variety of crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, oilseed. The clearing of forest has caused soil erosion. जो हमारी soil है वो erode हो गई. Now the lower range of Himalaya and the Terai region have many wild animals such as elephant, tiger, crocodile, rhinoceros, leopard, cheetah, bear. It is the higher range, and you can also find snow leopards and alpine bear over here. The famous Corbett National Park in the Terai region near Nainital, it has been named after famous Jim Corbett. You can see a large variety of animals here. Now Himalayas can be crossed by land route through the same passes. What is pass? A narrow way through a mountain. Some of the important passes are Nathula in Sikkim, Bondela in Arunachal Pradesh, and Shapkila in Himachal Pradesh. Now importance of Himalaya. What are the importance? They form a natural border in the north. Then they protect us from cold wind. They are source of several big rivers. What it provides? Irrigation and domestic use. The river also bring fertile soil and deposit in the plain. They help in causing rain in most part, and the forest on it gives shelter to many wild animals. What it gives? It gives shelters to many wild animals. Right? This was all about the Himalayan mountain. Hope you understood. Now children, we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.